Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 254matic. This one's a night black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one comes with the night package with 19-inch multi-spoke black wheels, black accents on the front, side, and rear. AMG exterior package with the AMG exterior look. Black MB text interior with an aluminum trim. GLA 254matic badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. 60/40 fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Convenience package with auto dimming mirrors. Garage door openers. Multimedia package with navigation and voice command. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for the radio. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This GLA has 16,178 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 254matic, visit us at feldmanimports.com.